But unless you really speak the truth, you cannot develop this inner integrity to a great extent. What you say is easy, it lacks depth. But only when you start speaking the truth, you will really know what's going on inside, not otherwise. You will get to the depths of it. Then the miracle happens. The miracle is, it will take you to the roots and you will find everything is empty, and therefore you become free of it. The joy that you would discover cannot be described. It does not matter what is there. Can you see what is there? What is authenticity? Seeing what is there. Understand, basically. Inner integrity is seeing what is there. Truth is speaking what you see. Not exactly being factual, no? That's only up to a point. Truth becomes authenticity, external authenticity. First you see, and then you speak about it. Seeing is one thing, speaking is yet another thing. And if you speak, you will find the effect is unimaginable. Nothing you need to do, it's all automatic thereafter. Try it out. Every moment will be a joyous moment in your life. That's enough. You would not ache for anything else in life. You won't say, I want this, I want that. Such joy in just seeing what is going on inside. That's all there is to life. What is life? See what is going on inside. Then tell me how it is. Because you are not seeing it, you feel bored. You find life is meaningless, purposeless. Therefore you want this, you want that. So many desires you are creating. But if you were to actually see what is going on, there is such joy, you will not want anything else in life. You could be a beggar, you could be a leper, you could be sitting in a gutter. Nothing will happen. You will be just enjoying every moment of your life. You don't need money, no name, no fame, nothing, not even security. You wouldn't be afraid of even dying also. And strangely, life would take care of you. All authentic people, they are taken care of by life or by God, whatever you want to call it. Inauthentic people will die. If you are authentic and you don't have food, food will come to you. Somehow it will happen. Somehow you will get a lift. You will go where you want to go. Your life becomes miraculous. Because you are inauthentic, these things don't happen to you in life. But again, don't try to be authentic. To really be authentic, only then miracles will happen. Only then you become a great being. Then the benediction comes on you, the blessing. All that you have spoken becomes truth. Why is it you people are stuck up? Because you are untruthful. Therefore, inauthentic. Therefore, you have never really seen what's going on inside yourself. Therefore, you need external things to keep going.